How to fix Netflix household. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can fix Netflix household, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're having trouble with your Netflix household, you can try these steps. First of all, just update the Netflix application over here to the latest version. Then what you can try to do is just go ahead and long press the Netflix app, tap the I button to come to the app info page, go to storage, clear cache and try to clear the data. If you're trying to log in from TV, you can update your Netflix household from a TV or TV connected device that is actually signed into Netflix, right? So you can just select update my Netflix household from TV and then you will be able to fix it. You can also try restarting the app completely by closing it, and then you can also review the active devices. Sometimes if too many devices are currently logged into your Netflix account, in that case you could have that issue, so you can just try to remove those devices and see if that helps you. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.